Four chefs are about to go on the wildest shopping trip of their lives. Let's meet them. First up, Karen Forsberg, a private chef and a single mom from Los Angeles, California. Next up, Stanley Hagerman, a cordon bleu grad and a sous chef from Los Angeles, California. Next, we've got Tom Ramsey, an investment banker turned soul food chef from Jackson, Mississippi. And to wrap things up, Nia Polenzi, a bakery chef and bride-to-be from Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Are you guys ready for your first challenge?
Oh, yeah.
Chefs, to your carts. You are going to have 30 minutes to prepare a spaghetti and meatball feast. Give it to me in 3, 2, 1, go! There they go!
The second guy says go, I'm hoping my feet move, and I run for the pasta aisle first.
Guy says go, and I'm running toward pasta.
Attention shoppers, we're sad to inform you that we are out of stock of pasta and ground beef.
No.
Thanks for shopping at Flavortown Market.
Out of stock.
No pasta, no pasta. Time to get the flour out.
I grabbed ground pork and mild Italian sausage, and that is gonna make an amazing meatball.
I see Italian sausage.
There's ground chicken. I thought, oh my God, I could do chicken meatballs with egg noodles.
What do you got in here, homie?
Fry up some chicken skins, put on top of it.
Having a grocery store at your disposal right there is amazing.
I made some really great meatballs. I put some heirloom carrots in them, give them some nice color.
Italians love olive oil. To bring a salty note to a meatball is use really good Parmesan cheese.
I put my meatballs in the fryer, I pull up the basket. It's still a meatball, but it's mushy, and I know I'm gonna get kicked in the teeth for a mushy meatball.
Now starting to feel the pressure. Come on.
Here we go, 25 seconds.
Oh no. And the noodles aren't cooked.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop working, back down, walk away. Karen, please present to the judges.
It's Jewish penicillin spaghetti and meatballs. It's made with all the great homemade things you would find in Jewish chicken noodle soup.
Up next, Chef Tom. Let them know what they're having.
This is an Asian spaghetti meatballs inspired by the noodle stands in Hong Kong.
Now on to Chef Nia. Take it away.
Okay, well, Guy said to be creative, and I made a meatball ravioli with a traditional marinara sauce.
The final chef to present his spaghetti and meatballs is Chef Stanley.
So I have Filipino noodle with meatballs. Growing up, we always cooked with Italian sausage.
The judges have made their decision. Karen, sorry, checked out. This next competition, this next challenge, next game should be no sweat. Now, there's only one catch to this. Now, you need to make an amazing family meal using only what's in, wait for it, this envelope.
I pulled the money out. Oh my God. Here, a little jangle jangle. I poured it into my hand, and it's like
$6.35. The coupon battle begins. In 3, 2, 1, go! Stanley's out first.
Yeah, coupon for tofu was 69 cents.
There we go.
Halfway under budget.
your white beans. They're 49 cents each.
Now I've got a cheap protein.
Okay. Stanley is the first one in line. I hate waiting in lines.
She's ringing up the items, and I see prices going by. I barely made it.
There you go.
Thank God, like I'm under budget, I start cooking, you know, I'm ahead of the game right now.
Okay, okay, we're at $7. The onion, please. I cut out onion, garlic, and tomato. It was not my plan.
Zucchini was the one coupon you picked, okay?
Sorry. When Guy says garlic, I realize I have no garlic. I take off running, I grab the garlic, so I'm thinking I can make a quick garlic confit. Thank you. I do not want to serve bland pea soup.
Just about 10 minutes left.
We're gonna get lots of flavor out of nothing.
Now grab the potato. I check out, pull the skins off, but I don't want them floating around in this pretty dish. So I'll wrap them in cheesecloth.
All right, bring you down to a simmer.
And make a beaucoup garni that I can pull out at the last minute.
10, fun.
I'm worried I'm not gonna make it.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop cooking. Oh. Chef Tom.
I made chicken and dumplings. It's classic budget stretching food.
Up next, Chef Stanley. What do you got for us?
I have warm pea soup and a little bit of sauteed pork chop. Pork was on sale. Tofu was on sale. Cream is expensive, so I emulsified the soup with tofu.
Nia, why don't you tell the judges what you've made for them?
Well, what I wanted to make was a pasta visual. When I'm on a budget, I always go for beans. I sauteed some zucchini, and what I wanted to do is put the shell macaroni on top and then put the scallions on top, but I didn't have time.
One of you will be checking out. Nia? Checked it. We're sorry, you checked out.
All right.
Congratulations, Chef Stanley, Chef Tom. You made it to the final game. The twist will be you can only cook from one certain area in the store.
Uh-oh.
And that area will be aisle 1? No. I know. It'll be aisle 8. 25 minutes. The frozen food feud begins. Go!
I see frozen cheesecake, and I see strawberry ice cream. The dish is coming together in my head. I'm gonna make strawberry cheesecake ice cream pie. Anything else? Anything else?
Chef, what do you got going?
I'm doing a shrimp with mock shoe.
What'd you get right here?
That is a little southwestern sauce. Southwestern sauce. I'm not sure what that means, but I know it's gonna be packed with flavors.
Out of control. Some popsicles.
I can make a sickle gastrique.
Are you making a savory dish, a sweet dish? What do you?
No, it's gonna be dessert.
You're best at dessert of all the things you do.
Well, I wanna switch it up a little bit.
Okay.
That's fine. All right.
Attention, chefs. A little tidbit helper. We are now going to grant you 2 fresh items from the produce department. 2 fresh items can also be added to your cart.
So I run over to produce, I grab the red bell pepper and parsley. So I run to my station.
Grab some blueberries and some mint. Head back to my station. I need to get my pie crust baked first. Take the frozen cheesecake, add the strawberry cheesecake ice cream to that, and I'm praying for a miracle on this one.
Oh, just breaking my heart.
I got corn in the pan, frozen garlic, frozen cilantro, frozen onions. I hope it works.
Minute and 30 seconds.
As I'm plating it, it looks like a light pink blob just oozing on the plate. Tom is doing a savory dish, and his dish looks good.
30 seconds.
I know Stanley's gone sweet. It's gonna be something that immediately catches their attention, and I've made half-ass mock shoe.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop working. Chef Stanley, please go ahead and explain to the judges what you've done for your best dish.
So here I have a strawberry cheesecake ice cream pie and popsicle gastrique.
Next up, Chef Tom.
I made a Southwest shrimp mock shoe. Mock shoe is one of those dishes where 2 cultures met, and this was where Native Americans met the Creole.
One of you goes home checked out. The other has an opportunity to go on a super shopping spree to bag up to $20,000. The chef that is going to be staying with us will be Chef Tom.
Winning is validation. Everybody needs validation. I need somebody else to tell me I'm doing a good job.
Congratulations, Chef Tom.
Oh, man.
All right. In my hand is a list of 10 items. You have 2 minutes to find as many of these items as possible. Each item you check off on the list and put in your cart will be worth $2,000. Grab all 10 items before the time is up and you will win $20,000.
Okay.
Are you ready? 3 and 2 and 1, go get him. And he's off. 57 seconds. Hurry up. 6 items, $12,000.
Boom, $2,000.
Load up. Okay, left. Can of olives. Where are lemons?
Lemons.
Okay, give me
Lemons are in.
4 seconds. 3 seconds, 2 seconds.
And at the last second, the lemon goes in the cart, and I look and I see $2,000 worth of canned olives right there.
Time's up. All right.
Winning 16 grand, that's big. That is really big. Money equals college for kids.
Ladies and gentlemen, Tom Ramsey with $16,000.